Hello everyone. Well, this is how our day started out. Well, I should back up a little bit. Last night we were in North Carolina and we stayed at one of our favorite locations, which is in all of North America. There's different ones. A Harvest House. We stayed in an apple orchard last night on a farm, which was awesome. And so today we went through 4 states in about 5 hours. So we started off in North Carolina. We then went into the final eastern bit of Tennessee on our way up to Virginia, and then through Virginia to West Virginia, where we are now at Fayetteville. So what's in Fayetteville? So it has the longest arch bridge. Basically, it was the largest arch bridge in the world, and now it is the 3rd largest in the world, but it's the largest in the Western Hemisphere. The other 2 are in China. And it's the New Gorge River Bridge, and it's absolutely unbelievable. Tomorrow we're hoping to go and maybe do a hike if weather permitting, and go out and hike away from the bridge so that we can actually get a nice picture of it, because there's really no other way to do it. So that's our plan anyhow. We'll see how it works out, and yeah, we'll meet up with you in the morning and see what it has in store for us. Have a good night. Good morning. We are at the Long Point Trail, and today what we want to do is hike out into the gorge, New River Gorge, to get a look at the New River Gorge Bridge, which is again the longest arch bridge in the Western Hemisphere. So we hope to get some pretty good shots out there. So let's get going. Okay, well, after about a 40-minute hike, we made it here, and here is the results. It's about a 3.2 mile hike round trip, and it's good trails and very shaded because it's hot out today. But it gives you a pretty good shot of the bridge, and it's just beautiful. The gorge is massive, really deep. They do a lot of whitewater rafting here all season, and it's very famous. There's tons of rafting outfitters that you can sign up with and go whitewater rafting. It's just beautiful around here. So but anyhow, here's a better shot of the bridge. Again, the New River Gorge Bridge. I believe it was built in 1977. I'll have to check that, but I'm pretty sure. But it is a massive span, and like I say, the gorge is really steep. Anyhow, that was a good hike. Now we got to go back, but that's all right. It's early. We got up early, luckily, and it's gonna get hot today for sure. But I think we definitely hit it at the right time. We're the only ones out here as well, so it's awesome. Really good hike. Highly recommend it. Talk to you soon.